We have come across the Mendel's principles or laws of inheritance. The first law stated that law of dominance. That means this is the law, and it stated that in a dissimilar pair of factors, one member of the pair dominates and the other is recessive. And the second law states that during gamete formation, the factors of the character present in parents segregate from each other and that a gamete receives only one of the two factors. But today we shall be doing and learning more about non-Mendelian inheritance. That means there are certain examples where they do not follow these principles. So examination point of view, these topics are very important what we'll be dealing today. First is incomplete dominance. It is the inheritance in which the offspring shows characteristics intermediate between two extreme parental characters. What is the meaning of this? That means when one red color flower is crossed with white color flower, then the next generation does not get any red color or white color but gets certain intermediate color, that is pink or violet. Flower color in snapdragon or dog flower or antirrhinum and Mirabilis jalapa. These two are very important examples for NEET also and for your final exam also. These two follow incomplete dominance. That means no color is dominant of the parent in the first filial generation. For example, the details are: if we cross red color flower with white color flower, red with R capital and small r with for white, then we get a pink flower which is having both the genotypes RR. If we self this is the F1 generation. If we self and go on selfing for this, then we get one red, two pink and one white. That is, it is showing 1:2:1. Phenotypic ratio, if it shows 1:2:1, that means one red, two pink and one white. Genotypically it will be this. Here the ratios are same. This means that R was not completely dominant over R and showing incomplete dominance. Mendel's pea plants also showed certain characteristics in other traits also. We come to the codominance factor. What is codominance? The word is co means same or together. Dominance is both the characters or genotypes are dominant. Here it is clear with the ABO blood group system, which is of human. It is the inheritance in which both alleles of a gene are expressed as hybrid. ABO blood grouping in human. Here O is having no antigen, A is having A plus antigen and B is having B plus antigen. This ABO blood grouping we have done nicely in class 11th. ABO blood groups are controlled by gene I. This topic was taken by Trapti. It controls the production of sugar polymers, antigens, that protrude from plasma membrane RBC. The gene I has alleles IA, IB and small I, which does not possess any gene. Both the IA and IB produce slightly different forms of sugar. Allele I does not produce any sugar. That means these are representing certain properties or some protein is formed at the end. Antigen A, it is blood A type. Antigen B is blood B type. AB has both A and B are dominant. So this is showing the cross or codominance. Neither in this blood type O, neither antigen A or B is present. This is the blood group and the genotypes which are clear. Same thing, this is the chart which is showing if you get alleles from the parents, what will be the blood type or phenotype which will be shown. This was codominance. Another is multiple allelism. Multiple allelism is the condition in which more than two alleles govern the same character. These topics or these terms may be confusing. Multiple allelism, multiple means many, alleles means more than two. More than two alleles are alternate forms. They share or they are responsible for the same character. For example, alleles of A, B and O blood grouping might have IA, IB and small I. Still, they might show ABO grouping. The fourth one is polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance, poly means many genes. That means many genes they carry are responsible for some traits, or like human skin color, they can be in any form from fair to dark, or human height. Polygenic inheritance and multiple allelism are two different things. Polygenes means many genes responsible for one character. Multiple allelism means many alleles or many genes are responsible for one phenotypic character. Polygenic inheritance also takes into account the influence of the environment where the person is. In this trait, it reflects the contribution of each. Eye effect of each allele is additive. The darkest skin showing here until the fairer skin is a combination of some of the other genes. Human skin color. Assume that three genes A, B, C control human skin color. Dominant forms A, B and C are responsible for dark skin and recessive forms for light skin. So for darkest skin color we'll get all the dominant genes. For lightest will be smallest or recessive genes, and intermediate will have a combination of both. This is a polygenic inheritance in a nutshell. Last one is pleiotropy. Pleiotropy means a single gene exhibits multiple phenotypic expressions. Such a gene is called as pleiotropy. In most cases, mechanism of this is the effect of a gene of metabolic pathways which contribute towards different phenotypes. For example, phenylketonuria. This is very important. We shall be dealing it in a separate topic. And sickle cell anemia. How do these diseases are responsible due to mutation of certain genes or distinct combination of certain genes. Pleiotropy is the effect of a gene on metabolic pathways. That means the metabolic pathway, the formation of the protein gets disturbed. So the phenotype also gets changed. Phenylketonuria and sickle cell anemia are genetic disease in which mutant gene exhibits many phenotypic effects. We shall be dealing it later on. And pleiotropy is seen in plants also. Starch is synthesized by capital BB gene, therefore large starch gains are produced, and small bb have lesser efficiency in starch synthesis and they produce smaller starch gain. This shows incomplete dominance. You can see the size of the P's differ. You have to make notes, students, about all of these what we have learned today. And this, till now I am not emphasizing of the notes, but today's class notes you have to make star mark for your CBSE exam.